Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is December 1st and guess what? Your girl is officially doing Vlogmas this year. If you guys do not know what that is, basically it is just when YouTubers upload every single day in the month of December. Now because of some things in the background there are like 4 days of this month that I can't upload. But other than that, every single day in the month of December I will be uploading a new video at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am excited. 12 Days of Foundation Hunt is coming back. So I figured, you know, let's kick it off with the good old classic holiday makeup tutorial look with a little spin on it, you know, a little bit more fiery red here as opposed to like, you know, like a green and red Christmassy type look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. So I'm gonna start out with this Rainbow Splash palette from OPV Beauty and use this shade right here called Spectrum. When I say this look is simple, y'all, I mean it's really simple. We're really just gonna use a whole bunch of reds. And then this red from my Sugarpill palette, basically just a darker red, and just put that right in my crease. And then just finish it off with Wigglies as my lid color. Really, like when I said really simple, really easy, I meant it. And just pack this on. Look at that. Look at that shade. So I am not anywhere near close to done here, but I have a strong urge to do red lips too. Or would that be doing too much? But I mean, when it comes to holiday makeup, like, you're supposed to do the most, so I'ma probably do it anyway. But then it's like, what if the red is too dark? What if it's too orange? We'll see. Oh, this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer in a liquid glass all over my entire face. Feeling very Covergirl concealer today, so that's what I'm going to use in the shade D500. Let that sit on my face real quick. I'm gonna highlight under my foundation with the ABH Liquid Glow. And now just to blend that out. And of course, Born to Glow from NYX is my foundation. A little Mer Powder on my under eye. Ooh, that's a lot. And then the Fenty banana powder on top of that. My sponge was looking at me like, you know, you could just use me. Contour with my good old Uoma stick. I know my wig is pushed back, y'all. I'm gonna pull it forward by the time I finish the video. This is Prime Beauty Brownsville. For blush, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Grapefruit to kind of keep on theme with the whole, you know, like red thing. I mean, it's not red, but you'll see it when it's on. Like, it just makes sense to use this today. That was a little too much. Gonna spray my face using the Dewy Set. My under eye color is gonna be the same Wigglies shade. Yeah, I'm gonna do the red lips. So I'm gonna start with this shade from NYX in the shade Cherry Skies to line my lips. And then this shade from Ellarie and Colourpop, there is irony in me using these two shades, which you guys will see soon. And that is how I got this look here. I had to wear the robe the entire time because, you know, I'm wearing white, trying to keep it white there, but it was not fun. It just made like the robe extra stuffy and packed on, and it was just kind of hard to move there. But you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, we finished out the look, and I feel like this is real, you know, office party, Christmas party, just holiday get together type thing with a little, you know, spice thrown into it. But yeah, that is it for this look. Going back to my shirt here, you guys can see I'm wearing my merch I showed to you guys a few days ago. Y'all know your girl gets real giving in the month of December. It's my favorite time of the year. So with that being said, I'm doing a giveaway on my merch where I'll be picking one winner from the comments down below who will get everything that is on my merch site. The sweatshirt, the crew neck, the tank top, and a cell phone of your choice in any color of your choice. And to enter, all you have to do is just be subscribed and comment down below one thing you're excited about in the month of December. Maybe you're excited for Christmas, maybe you're excited for Hanukkah, maybe you're excited because the semester will be over. Just let me know in the comments down below and you'll be entered. I'm thinking all giveaways, any giveaway that I do this month will be open for a week. So it'll start today, it'll end on the 7th. Numbers, math here. And yeah, it's that simple. I like keeping my giveaways real simple to enter there because that makes it real simple to handle. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys tune in for, you know, my version of Vlogmas. Anything else I'll tell you guys? Yeah, I feel like that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys liked seeing this look. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.